Hello viewers, my name is Gideon Onyeko, a current participant in the MMM Guidance School batch 2017 group 26. I want to say a few things about MMM. I want to start by defining MMM and also talk about the ideology of MMM. We'll talk about how MMM works, the rules of MMM and the benefit of MMM. What is MMM? MMM is an acronym which stands for Mavot Mavid Movement. It's a global community of financial aids, the largest mutual financial aid network in the world today. MMM is operational in about 118 countries and is still counting. MMM was founded by Sajid Mavodia in 1989 and it was revived in 2011. MMM platform is bringing people together from all walks of life, and they make donations, pay money for the needed people that have need of it, and in return, when they need it, it will be given back to them. It's a pyramid financial structure that is targeted to change the operation of financial imbalance in the world today. Having said that, let me talk about the ideology of MMM. The ideology of MMM currently, the world financial system is designed to favor the rich to the expense of the poor. That's to say, the rich are getting richer while the poor are getting poorer. So MMM is aimed at bridging the gap between the poor and the rich, changing this very structure that is currently prevailing in the world. MMM seeks to create a fair financial order by delivering the poor from the financial slavery that they have been placed. Courtesy of MMM, millions of people have been made millionaires all over the world. How does it work? Number 3, how does it work? The workings of MMM. Now, when you register as a participant in MMM, a special office will be created for you. We call it PO. And inside that special office, there are 2 visible buttons with which it operates. PH button, that is provide help button, and GH button, that is get help button. The moment you register, you indicate the amount you want to provide, and at the appropriate time you'll be called upon to provide help for somebody that have need of it. And also, when it gets to the time you need it, somebody else will provide help for you. So we have the 2 buttons, we call it provide help button and the get help button. You indicate to provide help the amount from the provide help button, and at the appropriate time you get help, you indicate the money you want to get from the get help button. And also you are encouraged to donate your spare money. That spare money, when you donate it at the appropriate time, somebody else will donate onto you. The movement, the moment you provide help, otherwise known as Marvel, the internal currency of MMM is called Marvel. It will start to grow. It will grow until it comes to the point when it will be released. So it passes through 3 stages. It will be frozen and eventually it will be released. You cannot access it until it is released. The growth of Marvel takes place on Tuesdays and on Thursdays. Now, what are the rules of MMM? MMM is guided by some principles, some guiding rules. Just like every other organization, if there is no rule, it will be abused. So the founders of MMM have structured some rules that make it effective and efficient. What are those rules that makes MMM work effectively? Number 1, if you are a member of MMM, you are expected to have only 1 account. And if you have more than 1 account, the penalty is that you'll be blocked. Number 2, you share only 1 email address for 1 participant. If 2 people share the same email address, they stand the risk, and the penalty will be that they will be blocked. And also number 3, you don't delay when your order is requested, when you are called upon to provide help. If you delay, you'll be blocked after some time. And then number 4, you don't edit your bank details in your PO. If you do that, the penalty is that the time you're supposed to get help, it will be delayed for 14 days before you get that help. And also in MMM, when you make payment, you don't fail to upload your proof of payment. If you fail to upload your proof of payment, the penalty is that you will be blocked. I've had this personal experience. Somebody paid, maybe you didn't understand the workings of it, and she was blocked. Another person was matched to pay me. Eventually, I returned her money to her because she had been blocked from the system. In the spirit of benevolence and sincerity, the money returned to her. Number 6, you do not fail to make payment when the order is requested. When you are called upon to make donation, you don't hesitate in making that payment, because you have initially encouraged to do with spare money. So you expect that the money will be available the moment you are called upon, you make the donation. When you fail to do that, you'll be blocked. And the number 7, your family members should not indicate interest to donate more than the amount you donated. Well, when you do that, you'll be penalties that you'll be blocked. And the number 8, remember to write letter of happiness. The moment you get help, you are expected to write letter of happiness. What is it by letter of letter of happiness? Simply say you tell people that this thing you have provided help and this is the time you have been paid. This is the amount you have been paid. It helps to tell the masses that this thing is working, is not fake, is not. It has been tested and proven. That's the work of the letter of happiness. And also, let me talk about the benefit of MMM. There must be a benefit accrued to MMM. That's why millions of people are trooping into it. If there is no benefit, it won't be attracting people. And this benefit will be like, I will discuss it in 3 different segments. The first one is that the moment you register as a participant of MMM, you are guaranteed to have 30% of your donation at the end of the month. So we call it, with the bonus, that donation, that 30% is one of the benefits. 30% of your total sum donated, you get it at the end of the month. That's number 1. Number 2, as a very first participant, you stand the chance of getting registration bonus, which ranges from $20 US, $50 US, and $100 US, depending on the amount you indicated. Time will not permit me to start to stretch the amount bracket, but it depends on the amount you indicated. Minimum of 20,000 naira will attract $20 US, and so on and so forth. So depending on the amount, that will determine what you have as your registration bonus. And also we'll have referral bonus. This is targeted to encourage people to make massive campaign about MMM. For any participants we introduce to MMM that register under you, you are going to get 10% of the total donation the person make at every transaction. So that is referral bonus. These are the 3 major benefits. And also we have the guiders bonus. The guiders stand to benefit from all the downliners that participate under them. It varies from different levels. The first level benefit for guiders is 5% of the donation. Second level is 3% of the donation, and it goes in that order. It descends in that order to the lowest. The lowest. So these are the benefits you can get from MMM. Having said that, MMM is a moving trend that the whole group need to embrace on. Is in about 118 countries and is counting more. Is a moving trend, and everyone is encouraged to be part of it. Long live MMM, long live Sergeant Mavodia. Together we are changing the world. Thank you.